Hello friends, my name is Jaswanth Desetti. Today I am going to demonstrate you about Surya Namaskaras. To make simple for beginners, in first I am going to show you the 12 postures of Surya Namaskaras.
Posture 1, Posture 2, Posture 3, Posture 4, Posture 5, Posture 6, Posture 7, Posture 8, Posture 9, Posture 10, Posture 11, Posture 12.
Now you are familiar with the 12 postures of Surya Namaskaras. Now I will demonstrate you when to inhale and exhale while doing Surya Namaskaras.
Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale.